Looking to break in your Cellerciser? Check out all our exercises for beginners. Dave Hall's 4-week exercise program and new Mr. Rebounder app are designed to build up strength and muscle tone and boost weight loss. Begin with as little as a minute and progress to 10 or more minutes. Mr. Rebounder features nearly 40 pre-made exercise routines that you can alter, adapt, or create your own fully customizable program according to your workout ability and schedule. Program the days you want to play in and the time you want to be notified via your cell phone, computer, or notepad. One of the easiest Cellerciser exercises for beginners is the Baby Health Bounce. This helps to reduce water retention, swelling, edema, and varicose veins while strengthening your calf muscles, improving balance, and much more. Can you believe that such a simple motion on the Cellerciser does that? Start with the Health Bounce and add on other exercises as you work your body to a better you. To check out Mr. Rebounder workout videos for this and many other exercises for beginners, visit Cellercise.com or call 800-856-4863 today. Why work out when you can play in?